This insistence on maintaining his status as the sole king of dancehall has made Beenie Man appear desperate, as if he fears that acknowledging Kartel's impact would somehow diminish his own legacy. One key way Beenie Man's obsession with the king title is hurting his legacy is through public perception. There is a thin line between confidence and arrogance, and Beenie Man's constant insistence on his superiority often comes across as arrogance. Fans and industry insiders have begun to see his arguments not as a display of confidence, but rather as an unnecessary and insecure attempt to hold on to the past. Unlike artists such as Bounty Killer, who has gracefully transitioned into a mentor role for younger artists, Beenie Man continues to seek validation for a title that no longer holds the same weight it once did. His refusal to acknowledge the changing tides in dancehall makes him appear disconnected from the current state of the genre.
More ask the new artists them, when they go foreign and people say reggae dancehall artists, how they feel?
Yeah, the dancehall.
Yeah, more and get up, yeah. How they feel, Virgin? When a man say reggae dancehall artists, rare. Reggae dancehall artists, rare. Come they are foreign, you know. And I say Skillibeng win Mobo's award, you know. Reggae dancehall album. Skillibeng, do you have yourself as a reggae dancehall artist? This. Yeah. This is the thing. You cannot disrespect yourself as a Jamaican. And this is what they might do. And the man say, me a fight against young artists. And me a fight against this. And me a do this. And you have to have yourself as Jamaican. If you don't have yourself as Jamaican, where you go? What Jamaican do? Reggae, dancehall.
Instead of embracing the evolution of dancehall and celebrating the success of newer artists, he continues to fight a battle that no longer needs to be fought. Another major consequence of Beenie Man's obsession with the king title is that it distracts from opportunities for growth and reinvention.